you are scared AI might replace your job, then this video will show you how to make AI work for you, not against you. In this video, I'll share 12 YouTube channels that will teach you everything about AI, from the absolute basics to building your own projects. And the best part, you don't need to have a computer or a technical degree. We'll cover which videos or playlists you can start with, what level it's for, be it basic, intermediate, or advanced, and who it's best suited for, whether you are a coder, marketer, engineer, or a working professional trying to future proof your career. Let's dive in. So, the very first channel is of Krish Naik. You can consider this one as a foundational layer for beginner to intermediate level. If AI feels intimidating, start here. Krish explains machine learning, Python, and deep learning in most relatable way, like you're sitting in a classroom in India. You can start with his machine learning A to Z playlist. It's perfect for working professionals who want structured learning without getting lost in theory, and it's best suitable for engineers, coders, analysts looking to upskill and transition into data roles. The second channel comes Code Basics. It's practical AI for everyday work. It's for beginners basically. It's run by Dhaval Patel, an ex-Microsoft engineer. This channel is pure gold. He explains how AI and data analytics are applied in real-world business problems, from Excel automation to data visualization. Recommended playlist is Python for data science. It's best suited for working professionals from non-tech backgrounds who want to understand how AI tools can save hours in their job. So now comes third one, and this is my personal favorite. The instructor, the host of this channel is my personal favorite, and the name is The Cutting Edge School by Ansh Mehra. I really love the way he speaks, the practical tutorials, the practical approach he has, and the cool AI updates. So you can think of this as your AI toolkit channel. They cover tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Notion AI, and how you can apply them in marketing, design, and productivity. If you are into design field, particularly UI and UX designing, this channel is something that you cannot afford to miss out on. He puts out basic to advanced tutorials of how one can learn tools. Currently, I'm learning about AI automation tool. The name of the tool is Make. I'm learning about this particular tool from this particular channel at this point when I'm shooting this video, and I really love the content, the way every step is explained, it's demonstrated. So I would highly recommend you to follow it. I'll recommend you this particular video from this channel. This is perfectly suitable for marketers, freelancers, side hustlers who want to boost efficiency without coding. So next channel is of Sunny Savita. Now this is AI plus motivation combo. It covers from beginner to intermediate level. Sunny brings that Indian classic motivational energy plus AI insights. He covers AI tools, productivity tools, and prompt writing, and explains every single thing with the same passion as a teacher explaining maths before board exams. So you can start with this particular resource if you are picking up this channel, and it is best for people who want both knowledge plus daily motivation to stay consistent. Next comes Varun Maya. So I visit this page not that often, but I quite like the approach that he has. So this particular channel covers intermediate level stuff and talks about future of work and AI. So Varun doesn't just talk AI or tools, he talks about mindset. He explains how AI will redefine jobs in entrepreneurship and creativity. You can check out this particular resource from his channel. And this channel is perfect for working professionals who are curious about where the world is heading and how they can position themselves smartly. So next channel is of Ishant Sharma. I have personally witnessed his journey from the point he started, because that's exactly when I also started my journey in the digital space. First, his channel was catering mainly college students. Now things have moved a little into AI space, and it covers from beginner level stuff to intermediate level stuff. He put out about the latest AI updates. I personally rely on a couple of other channels and a couple of other professionals for this particular thing, but it's really good channel that you can subscribe to, and you can approach and learn about AI. So Ishan talks about learning plus earning with the help of AI. His channel, his content has more of that practicality, which you can use to understand what opportunities are there in the market that you can have as a side hustles, as full-time opportunities, what sort of AI. So when you will subscribe to his channel, you will feel like a friend who learns something new every week and simplifies it for you. And you will feel he's documenting his life, experiences, journeys, lessons, milestone. I really feel that kind of a vibe with his channel particularly, and I really love that, because that is something that I feel helps a person themselves as well. Because when you document, you are able to reflect, and when you are able to reflect, you can measure and double down on what works on, and avoid doing what causes you some sort of loss in any terms. He covers real life applications using AI for freelancing, content creation, and productivity. And his channel is best suitable for creators, students, working professionals who are exploring AI based income streams. Next comes Vaibhav Sisinti. He talks about AI for growth hackers. If you are into marketing, automation, and business growth, Vaibhav is your guy. He focuses on using AI to create your personal brand, to expand your businesses, not just understanding it technically. So I mainly rely on his channel for the AI updates, latest AI updates about jobs, workforce, tools. Then comes channel number 8, that is iNeuron Intelligence. It simplifies the deep tech. It's co-founded by Krish Nayak. You can start with this particular resource from this channel, and it's best suited for coders, data enthusiasts, ready to move beyond basics into serious implementation. So the next YouTube channel is Campus X. Now this channel has mainly career learning AI approach. You will get vibe from this channel more like a virtual online university with proper playlist, notes, and step-by-step guidance. This is a recommended resource from this particular channel, and it's best suitable for students, working professionals who want to clear roadmap from basic to job ready. Channel number 10 is Tech TSQ. This is for more analytical minds. This one's for people who love logical, clean explanations, because the YouTuber breaks down SQL, Power BI, and data analysis, connecting them to how AI is reshaping business intelligence. You can check out this particular resource from this channel, and it's best suitable for analysts, finance pros, and logical thinkers wanting to bridge into AI. So channel number 11 is AI Everything. Now you can rely on this particular channel for global trends and updates. This channel curates the best AI news, product launches, and experiments, so you can stay ahead of the curve. You can start with this particular resource from this channel, and it's best suitable for anyone who wants to stay future ready, not just skill ready. Next and the last comes Matt Wolf. I hope this is how it is pronounced. So Matt's channel focuses on exploring new AI tools with clear tutorials from ChatGPT to video creation tools. You can start with this particular resource from this channel, and it's perfect for content creators, designers, and professionals curious about global AI applications. And with all that, we have come to an end of this video. But here is a bonus YouTube channel for you that I personally follow for advanced business plus AI knowledge, and the name of the channel is Dan Martel. When it comes to Dan Martel's channel, I personally love the approach he has. He has the most logical, practical, non-BS approach toward life, business, sales, marketing, and AI, which I feel are the most important things, because when these things come together, they make something that cannot be avoided. AI in itself is really powerful, but when it's combined with other aspects of business, it becomes something that can give anyone unfair advantage. I'll link all of these YouTube channels in the description below. You can follow them, subscribe them. That was all about the channels and the process. Now I'll tell you how you have to approach these. First, you have to pick up one channel that deals with beginner friendly content, covers basics, like the one person, not many. Then learn everything from their channel or whatever is relatable, take notes, share in public. Then pick up one channel, let's say for beginner friendly content, for level 1 content, for basic content you picked up, let's say code basics or cutting edge school, and then you picked up stuff from there, learned, executed. Then you can move on to the Krish Naik's channel or Campus X, and then you can pick up one channel from the advanced level category. It could be Varun Maya, it could be Vaibhav Sisinti, or any other you feel connected with. Remember, you don't need to fear AI, you just need to learn it before it learns your job. If you have watched till here, that shows how seriously you are about growth in your career, because honestly you would have jumped onto any other video that was recommended below this video, but you chose to stay till the very end, and truly this means a lot for me. I want you to help me with two things. First, let me know in comments which exact step you are going to get started with first. Second, I want you to let me know in comments what changes and add-ons I can do in my videos to make it even more valuable for you, because your feedback really shapes what I create next. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, take action, stay consistent, and keep growing.